I'm organizing gym games to help rebuild classrooms in Nepal.
I'm painting faces to help rebuild classrooms in Nepal.
I'm organizing a jar raffle to rebuild classrooms in Nepal.
I'm running a canteen to rebuild classrooms in Nepal. We need your help.
Help us make a difference.
We need your help.
Our cause this year is we have decided to fundraise to build classrooms in Nepal, and it's the Banakhu village in the Kaveri region. Our goal is to raise $10,000 to build 2 classrooms.
Hopewell Public School has had a long-standing history with Elia Sakely and Finding Life. We've followed Elia up Mount Everest twice, and we've helped rebuild classrooms in Solio, Kenya. To see those kids in Solio learning under tents, and by the end of it we were able to see the kids learning in classrooms that were sturdy, well built, with mortar, with stone, and it was just an incredible experience.
When we heard about the earthquake, we were really concerned. We felt that we have the privilege to go to school, so kids all over the world should have this. It's our right. They lost their classrooms, they were afraid to go back into their homes, and it really affected me and everybody in our club.
So the Blizzard Bazaar is this one-day blitz. It's one evening that takes weeks to prepare. Every year they look forward to it. It's our one big fundraiser where there's all kinds of crafts, performances, activities, and it's just a blast. It's completely over the top and completely run by kids.
When I'm giving and making a difference, I really feel happy. I feel great. I feel like I'm contributing to those children across the land, across the seas.
It's so amazing just to see the people there, because if you don't see the people, sometimes you don't really know where the money's actually going. But when you can actually see it, it's really great.
For them to find the passion inside themselves and to reach out a hand to someone halfway across the world is very inspirational.
When you can find ways of having them be connected to a universe that's outside of their little world, that's hugely valuable for them.
I just can't say enough about helping, with the Blizzard Bazaar and the project in Nepal. I think it's just an amazing thing for your kid to do.
We're only one school, so we're hoping that other schools will follow in our footsteps and make an even bigger difference.
Help us. We need your help.
Together we can make a difference.
What are you doing?
We will rebuild classrooms in Nepal. Join us.
It doesn't matter how old you are, how much money you have, where you live. Please, join us.
Help us make a difference in the lives of children in Nepal.